So I have a new Azure gel nail collection, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing and review for it. Oh, so I don't have to cut that. I can just do this, peel it back, which is kind of cool. They're getting advanced. They're getting used to us ladies. Hey, hey. All right, let me open this up. So y'all know how these come. They come in this beautiful package, and there's 6 of them, and they come with the stickers that you can use to mark your bottles. All you have to do is just put your gel on here, and you use those to mark your bottles. As always, they come with your instructions, detailed instructions, which are in different languages. So no matter what language you speak, you can do you can use this gel set. This is new. Okay, this one is called Azure Beauty Starry Sky Gel Collection, and this is basically just thanking you for your order, telling you how to do it, and the warnings, and it has questions and answers, and basically it's showing you how to apply the gels. And please note that the skin test is something, excuse me, okay, yep, bless me, yep. So that had to come out. Yeah, that was like not waiting. It was like, I'm coming out, baby, whether you like it or not. So that is the, you know, instructions, the stickers, and the basically introduction to their products. And these are the gels, and I'm going to just get right into taking them out. And they have numbers on them also on the back, so you can use those to mark your bottles if you want. But you know, the easiest way is to just use the little stickers that they provided. Yeah, you don't have any problem to get your polishes damaged, because these things that they package your stuff in is so super strong that it is amazing. It's amazing. So let's just open these up and get right into okay, so I went ahead and read the instructions, and now I'm back to just do the swatches for you real quick. So I'm starting out with the blue one, which is so pretty. I love it. I've been loving these dark color blue of lately, and you know, as usual, the Azure products are the best. Their polishes go on really nice, and I don't want to jinx myself, but they never bubble for me. You know, they always go in the lamp and come out real smooth. Like this one is kind of a more difficult one to put on, because it's got little streaks in it when but it's still like really a pretty color. I'm gonna put 3 of them on one swatch today, because I don't have little swatch sticks like that. I need to get me some more. So I'm gonna add another color to this, and it's going to be this beautiful sparkly one. I'm not even sure what this color is called. I will have to look up the names for everything before I end this video. I will look it up, but most of these polishes, this little one disappointment I hate about them, they don't come with the polish name on the bottles. I really hope and pray that they change that, because you don't want to have to go hunting down the names of the polishes. You want to just be able to call out the names like when you're doing a set. You know, you don't want to have to be hunting down the names of the gel polishes. And this one I think is the cat eye one. I love this rustic look. I love the color. It's so fantastic. I love how beautifully fantastic this color is. Oh, and wow. Okay, come on girl, get it together, say You know, I'm gonna just, this one, it probably needs like a color in the background. Maybe I would have to put it over another color, a black maybe. I'm just gonna get my magnet because they didn't provide a magnet with the set, but I have one from my other set of polishes, and I'm going to just wave it across here. And do you see that? Do you see that? It's so gorgeous. Yeah, it leaves that beautiful line right there, which is kind of cool. I just don't know how it does that, but it does it. It does that thing right there. So here we go. I'm gonna put this in the lamp so it can dry for a second, and I'm gonna go to the other 3 because that was 3. So I'm gonna do another 3. I really honestly need a lamp, so I said I was going to use color for the background for this one, but I want you to see this on clear just in case you have decided to do glass nails, but you want to do something that is really not just boring and plain. You can use this polish right here, and it is really fabulous. It looks gorgeous. You could use this over white nails. It would look amazing, especially like for Christmas time. You do your nails nice and white and you put that sparkle over it. It just brings your nail to life, which is a great added touch. I just love that. And this is the color changer, so I might have to go get some ice to get this one to change some color for you guys to see the color changing effect. So yes, I'm just gonna put one shade, one coat, which is a nice, very nicely covered coat. I love how their polishes really cover very well. I just love that about Azure products. Their polishes are amazing. This is the bombshell. This is the bomb. This is where it is at. This is where it is at. Gorgeous. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite. This is my favorite. Oh my goodness, I might have to do that on my nails. Oh, this would look good on my toenails. Okay, here, that one is cured. I'm just gonna put this one in the lamp real quick, and I'm gonna remove that one from the lamp. My lamp is across from me, so that's why you will see me, if anything, stretch across to get to my lamp. But there it is, nice and dry. I'm gonna put some black under this so this one pops up. I'm gonna put some black polish under it, and I'm gonna put it back in the lamp. So polish I'm gonna use is from my Model 1 set, and this one is just regular black polish. So, and it's the LEAFU line from Model 1s. This was from my LEAFU set of polishes. I will leave a link for it in the description below because it's a really beautiful set, and you get like what 6 polishes and a top coat and a base coat for a decent price. It's not a bad price, so you can go and check that out. I've checked it out, and I am not gonna lie to you, that was a really good buy. Look how beautiful the colors are now. Look how amazing. This is so gorgeous. It looks so gorgeous and amazing. I'm trying to check to see because I'm using my phone, so I don't even know if. So here we are, guys. That's the 6 polishes, all done. And this one has not come back to the clear color as yet. It needs to cool off. I might have to spray something on it or something to cool it down. Let me see, maybe some water or something on there to cool that off because it was too warm, so it was not trying to okay, so I got it in some water, and the water done made it cool again. So there it is, nice and cool. And this is my new Azure cat eye gel set, and I'm loving my colors, except for this one. I have too many of these. I'm not gonna lie, I have too many of this one. I'm gonna have to put that together and just give away one of each, because almost every set of gels I get has one of this blue in it. It's the same blue. I can go right now and find all the sets of polishes that I have with that one in there. So my thing's wet. But yes, this is my beautiful swatches of my beautiful Azure gel nails. And I hope you enjoyed my little video today, and if you like, please don't forget to comment in the comment section, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell as well, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video, because we need those thumbs ups. Yes, we do. And please stop unsubscribing for my channel when you subscribe. If I haven't subscribed to you yet, all you have to do is comment in the comment section that oh, I subscribe to you, please, can you return a favor? And I will. I'm not that kind of a person that I won't subscribe back. So, I'm very busy. Sometimes I don't have time to watch your videos, but sometimes I watch while I'm doing something, but I can't get to comment. So it's not like I'm not giving you any views. It's just that I don't have the time to comment or anything like that. But I will give a thumbs up. I always give a thumbs up every time I watch a video. So please, if you're going to subscribe to my channel, do not unsubscribe. Please, I need y'all to stop unsubscribing. It's very irritating. Okay? Alright, and don't forget to be fly like Regina Nail BFly, guys. Bye!